I got a father that called me up. He bought a hot rod Mustang for his daughter. The Mustang has a built 351. It's a race engine. It's got a roll cage in it. This is not for a kid to drive. No way, no shape, no how. I'm tuned in because my sister, got killed when my father gave her a Corvette. I'm gonna do my best to get him out of that car and get him into something a little more practical for the kid.
So we came to see Ted today because I've got a concern. In our family, we like classic cars. We've got a few of them. Theo just got her license. It's time for her to get her first car. I have this '69 Mustang, and it's just got way too much power. As a dad, I'm concerned that she might get hurt. So I'm hoping today that we find something a little more classic, fits her a little bit better, and will be safer for her to drive.
No flames at all. Classic, you said.
No flames.
So this is the insanity you're putting your kid in?
That's why we're here today.
Oh my goodness, this is a real live race car.
It's a former race car. It has been tamed down to be street legal. Some aspects of it, but the engine has not.
So it's a built 351.
It's actually a 408 because it's been stroked. I took it around the block once. I got sideways on it. Now you understand my concern.
My sister got killed in a Corvette.
Yeah.
And I told my father, please don't give her a Corvette. And then my father died from heartbreak. But yeah, this is not a car she should drive for 5 minutes.
If you've got something like this, first generation, that is a little more suitable for her, we'd love to take a look at it.
Theo, do you want something painted along these lines?
Definitely not. Not my style.
Is it anybody's?
Maybe yours.
Thanks. I love flames. Come on, let me show you some stuff.
Look at the wheels.
Those are original Mustang spinners.
That's a lot classier than the one that we have. I'm a little worried. You love it, right?
I adore it.
It's definitely classier. I'd like to go key for key with Ted, but I know he's going to come at me and ask for some money on the side, so we'll just have to see how it pans out.
I don't think I got to convince Theo at all. She loves it. Ian is tougher, and he's a car guy and knows what he's looking at, but he also knows that that's the right car for his kid. I might just throw keys with him, even swap. At the end of the day, we're both on the same team. We're going to get the car to her. One way or the other, she'll own it. Ian, I've got a lot of Mustangs on the lot, but I really think this is the right one for your daughter. So you're going to give me your car, and just to be fair with you, just a couple of grand.
The thing is, the car that I brought in, that's got a serious motor in it. Somebody spent a lot of money on that car.
I don't care. It's ugly. It needs to be worked on. This is not ugly. It doesn't need to be worked on. Yours is an 8, mine is a 6. Mine still is a lot nicer than yours. So pay me 2 grand and let's be done.
But Ted, the car's got flames. Come on, let's just throw keys. You know you want to.
The only reason I would even do this deal is if you would promise me to be careful and stay safe in this car. And you don't want to give me any money. You want to throw keys. All right, I'm a parent too. You own it. Let's go do it.
Thank you,
Do the
Ted.
paperwork, you can take it home.
So we did the deal. It's key for key, car for car, just like I wanted.
I'm very excited that there's no more flames on the Mustang. And the color is way more important than the engine for me.
I think Ted and I will do some more deals in the future. I love cars. He's got a great collection here. I'll be back.
Yeah, I gave in. I gave in because of the situation. I'm a parent, he's a parent. I would tell parents that are thinking of getting their kid a powerful car for openers not to do it. I've had too many of my friends lose their children. That's why I gave in. This is a kid. This is his daughter, and he's a friend, and I like him. It's the right thing to do. These are our children.